Ready to go from WordPress user to WordPress wizard? Let's unlock the secrets of WordPress development together. To start your WordPress development journey, you need a few key building blocks first. A solid grasp of fundamental web technologies is crucial. This means understanding HTML for structuring your content, CSS for styling its appearance, and JavaScript for adding interactivity. Next, you'll need a local development environment. This is essentially setting up a private server on your own computer, allowing you to build and test websites without affecting a live site. The engine room of WordPress development is PHP. You don't need to be a seasoned PHP expert, but understanding its basics, how it interacts with databases, and its syntax will be essential. WordPress itself has a specific structure. Especially its theming system, you'll need to learn about template files and how they work together to display your website. Beyond themes, plugins extend WordPress functionality. Understanding how to build and customize plugins, or even just integrate existing ones effectively, is a major part of development. As you progress, version control systems like Git become indispensable. They help you track changes, collaborate with others, and safely revert to previous versions of your code. Finally, learning to use browser developer tools is a game changer. They allow you to inspect code, debug issues, and understand how your site is rendering. Master these fundamentals, set up your tools, and immerse yourself in the WordPress ecosystem, and you'll be well on your way to building incredible custom WordPress solutions.